Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. A quick one today, a quick update, not about my car, but in general about the Volkswagen battery problem topics. So Volkswagen just started 3 recalls in the US and 1 recall in Germany, and it's due to fire hazard in their batteries. And this time it's not LG batteries, but it's SK batteries. What are the numbers of the recalls? The recalls are 93 EV, 93 EW, and 93 EA in the US. And the number is 93 MU in Germany or, Europe. If your car is affected, Volkswagen will contact you. Some thermal events, basically some cars burned down, and they discovered that there are some shifted electrodes that can cause that. There was some thorough investigation into it with CT scans and everything, so whatsoever, I don't know the nitty-gritty things about that, but the interesting thing here is, you would ask yourself, how is that connected to the topic that I was talking about my battery, about this whole battery gate topic that I also wrote down in a document in my last video. I will put it in the comments, the link. So how is it connected? And the funny thing is, as one of the mitigation measures for this SK battery fires, Volkswagen is saying they are installing the SDD software to the cars to predict these thermal runaways. What is SDD software? It's self-discharge detection. So, and what problems did I have with my LG battery? It's increased self-discharge. So, funny enough, the recall document, the German one, and now it's real recalls, it's not a service action, just like for the LG batteries. It's actually almost the same wording as with the LG batteries, but it's saying it has fire hazard. But the reason for that is increased self-discharge. So, I had a déjà vu here, increased self-discharge. So, my question is, interesting, right? So I have lots of questions, basically. So if they install the software to the SK battery cars, if they install the self-discharge detection software as an early warning, let's say, before the car goes up in flames, so what consequence does it have for another cars that are affected by this self-discharge issues? We don't know what is causing the self-discharge issues for the LG batteries, but it could be also something physical, like the shifted electrodes in the SK batteries. But still, Volkswagen is saying we are fixing it only inside the warranty period. So what happens to these batteries if I just continue driving with the self-discharge error? Question mark. So I think, again, this is one more argument for Volkswagen to actually replace the whole battery assemblies and actually also do the repairs out of warranty, because in both cases, SK or LG, they write it themselves, it's due to manufacturing faults. So let me know what you think about it. Let me know in the comments. That's all for today. Drive safe. Bye-bye.